How to choose the right embroidery for your gown. Hi there, I'm Sweta and welcome back to another design-packed episode on Finesse Couture Insights. Today, we're answering a question I get all the time from brides and fashion buyers alike. How do you choose the right embroidery for a bridal or evening gown? From fabric selection and body types to event themes and sleeve preferences, embroidery isn't just about decoration, it's about the expression. So make sure you subscribe and tap that notification bell because this episode could be the key to designing your dream embroidered gown. Understanding the occasion. Embroidery needs to align with the vibe of the event. So for the wedding ceremony, choose intricate, elaborate hand embroidery or beading. Think threadwork, metallic threads, bullion with a touch of crystals and sequins. Or think elaborate beading using glass beads and crystals with a touch of sequin and threadwork. This creates an opulent bridal aura. The emphasis has to be on hand embroidery and beading with a touch of crystal and beads. For the cocktail or reception, go with something more sparkly like crystal, sequin or metallic thread embroidery. These look stunning and elevate your look instantly. The idea is to catch everyone's eye. Pro tip: list out your events and plan embroidery weight plus design per event. Not one style fits all. Match embroidery with the fabric. Your fabric choice dictates what embroidery can be applied. Let's start with the organza or tulle layered dress. This is ideal for a light to medium embroidery dress, probably with long sleeves with scattered floral or ari work. Then comes the raw silk, satin or twill. This supports the more heavy beading like zardozi, bullion, beadwork and intricate motifs, perfect for a bridal gown's bodice. Net or georgette. Excellent for contrast embroidery or layering over structured linings. Always test a small embroidery swatch on your chosen fabric to ensure drape and comfort. Body type and embroidery placement. So embroidery can enhance or balance your silhouette when placed strategically. Petite brides. Vertical motifs or central embroidery lines elongate the frame. Avoid full surface designs. Tall or broad-shouldered brides distribute embroidery across skirt and sleeve for symmetry. Curvy figures go for the embroidery that accentuates the waist like radial floral bursts or structured embroidery bells. Style tip: with separates taking over, try bridal bodice with hand embroidery and minimal skirt for a modern regal touch. Sleeve decisions and custom requests. Sleeves do play a big role in embroidered looks. So for long sleeve lovers, choose embroidered long sleeve with vines, paisleys or linear designs. For sleeveless or cap sleeve fans, add embroidered shoulder straps or illusion sleeves in net with pearl detailing. And remember, most skilled ateliers like ours at Finesse allow for sleeve customization, so don't hesitate to request hand embroidery in sleeves or back panels that reflect your personal story. Budget and time frame planning. Embroidery is time intensive and can increase garment cost, but it's worth it. Elaborate hand embroidery requires about 200 to 300 hours of skilled work. Price gets affected accordingly. Machine embroidery, this is much quicker and cost effective, great for event wear or fusion outfits. What's best? Well, you can even mix it up. So use hand embroidery on visible areas like the bodice and machine work on the skirt or underlayers. Always buffer an additional 4 to 6 weeks for hand embroidered gowns. Embroidery is personal. The thread, pattern and placement should tell your story. From choosing the right sleeve design to understanding fabric behavior, I hope this guide helps you find or create the perfect embroidered gown for your big day. Don't forget to subscribe to Finesse Couture Insights and feel free to share your embroidery dilemmas or dreams in the comments. Coming up next, we explore how hand embroidery comes to life inside our atelier. See you then.